Firms have a range of sourcing options to choose from when setting up and managing their supply chains, both locally and globally. These sourcing options range from manufacturing products in-house to sourcing products from locally or globally based suppliers. Typical factors that influence the choice of these sourcing options include labour costs, logistics costs, product quality, technical expertise, production capacity, and the availability of suppliers. Firms constantly evaluate their sourcing arrangements as these factors are often changing. For example, the availability of more competent suppliers both locally and globally can lead to firms outsourcing manufacturing processes and buying in more components from suppliers. Brexit is likely to lead to changes in factors such as labour costs, raw materials costs, and logistics costs, which in turn have implications for whether you are manufacturing in-house or where your suppliers are located. The increase in the value of the euro has led to higher costs for firms in Northern Ireland sourcing from suppliers in the EU. Also, there are likely to be additional customs administrative costs and longer shipping times for you if you are importing from the EU or exporting from Northern Ireland into the EU. It is important that you evaluate your current sourcing arrangements as a result of the potential changes brought about by Brexit. You will need to assess the feasibility of moving manufacturing processes from EU-based suppliers back to local locations or moving processes from local suppliers to globally based suppliers. The first thing to look at are the sourcing options available to your firm and the benefits and risks of these options. There are a number of factors that influence the choice of sourcing options in the context of Brexit, such as supplier performance position, internal availability of technical and management expertise, and switching costs. You should use these factors as a reference for evaluating your current sourcing arrangements, so that you can assess whether it is appropriate to alter any of your current sourcing arrangements in the context of Brexit. You should consider the full range of sourcing options available to you, including when you should bring a process back in-house, bring a process back to a local supplier, transfer a process from a local supplier to a supplier in the EU, transfer a process to an offshore supplier, or reshore a process back to a local supplier. The key thing is to evaluate your options and identify the risks involved. By doing this, you may also be able to spot potential opportunities available to your firm. This could be, for example, global supply markets. Use the resources provided to help you get a strategic insight into how you should navigate the changing sourcing landscape brought about by Brexit and identify the range of options and potential opportunities open to you.